Have you ever dreamed of turning your gaming passion into a paycheck? In this video, discover the exciting world of earning money while indulging in your favorite pastime. We'll unveil a free app that pays you for your time. Don't miss out on this golden opportunity to get paid for doing what you love. Watch now and start your journey towards making money through mobile gaming today. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on those notifications. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on any of our awesome videos. I'm always dishing out cool and super effective ways to make some cash online. The best part? You can do this from pretty much anywhere on the planet. It'd be awesome if you could drop a comment below telling me which country you're tuning in from. That way, I can whip up some videos tailored to your region. Now, let's get started. Turn your gaming passion into profit with Let's Leap Make Money app. Imagine an app that lets you earn real money simply by playing video games. Sounds too good to be true, right? With Let's Leap, that's exactly what you get. This free app offers a unique opportunity to turn your gaming skills into tangible rewards. Don't miss out on this chance to make your gaming time more rewarding than ever before. Every time you play, you earn ticket rewards that offer you a chance to win some truly impressive prizes. Simply play any of the games and secure at least one ticket to enter the frequent cash prize draws. The more tickets you gather, the better your odds of winning a cash prize. Don't miss out on the opportunity to turn your gameplay into exciting rewards. Why wait any longer? Download Let's Leap today to access an incredible array of games and earn substantial cash rewards. With Let's Leap, you can effortlessly make money just by playing games, whether you're at home, waiting at the bus station, riding the metro, or anywhere else. Don't miss out on this exciting opportunity. Before we wrap up, I'd love to hear from you. Have you tried Let's Leap or any other money-making apps? What was your experience like? Comment below and share your story. If you found this video helpful and want to see more content like this, and if you're not already subscribed, make sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell icon. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know when we release new videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.